YouTubers, Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Bob Marley redemption song. Awesome, let's get to it. We're in standard tuning. Song is in G major. Alright, so let's go over the chords first and then we can check out the melody. Alright, we got G major. Let's go. 2, 3, pinky. E minor. 1, 2. C major. 1, 2, 3. And A minor, but on the way down to A minor, we want to grab the B. Keep your first finger where it is. So that's second fret A and then A minor. So from C. And then second time around we got G, E minor, C, B, over C, D. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the main chords for the song. Verses. Alright, let's check out the switching. G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, C, B over C, A minor, G major, E minor, C, B over C, D. And the strumming, this works. Bum, 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 get down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 chorus G, C, G major, C, D, E minor. This song's of freedom. Then we have the bridge, E minor. Except the intro. Let's learn the melody in the beginning and does it come again at the end? I don't remember, but definitely in the beginning. So over G, hold the G chord like this. Third finger, pinky. Strum that. So melody starts on G, open A, 2 on A, back to G. So first part, and then 3 on A, 2 on D, open D, 2 on A. So first part, and then second part, 3 on A. Repeat again, first part. Let's see. Okay, second time is different. Start on G, open A to 2, D, open D, back to 2, and then 3, 2, open A, G. Okay, from the beginning. One more time slow. Cool. Alright, let's go over the parts before we end the lesson. Verses starts with melody, okay? Verses G major, E minor, C, B over C, A minor, G major, E minor, C, B over C to D. That's the verses. And then before chorus we end on D. Chorus G, C, D, G, C, D, E minor, C, D, G, C, G. And then we have the bridge, E minor. Downstrokes. Awesome. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe and take it easy. All right.